Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on Outlook Read Receipts. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. After that, sign into your account. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll arrive at your Outlook homepage where all your emails are displayed. Here, look to the upper right-hand corner and click the gear icon to access settings. This opens a sidebar with a list of customization options. From here, scroll down and select Email. Within the Email section, find and click on Message Handling. Once you locate the Read Receipts setting, click on it. You'll now see several options, such as Ask Each Time, Always Send, or Never Send. Choosing Ask Each Time means Outlook will prompt you whenever a read receipt request comes in, giving you control over when to confirm message reads. Always Send automatically sends read receipts for every message, while Never Send blocks all read receipt requests entirely. Select the option that best matches your privacy and communication preferences. After making your choice, be sure to save your changes. And that's it. So, that is how you can turn on Outlook Read Receipts. So that's all for this video. Thanks.